Hello friends, question is important, but it is out of curiosity or fear. We must understand it. Same is for question related to vaccine. Nowadays, for which nearly everyone is eagerly waiting for. I am confident some positive news might be expected sooner, but I have some another important point to communicate with you. Human beings have survived and progressed continuously, competing with more stronger beings, both invisible, visible, living and non-living in past. Still, there exists stronger element than human being on this planet, but we are able to sustain and progress despite that only because we have used our energies completely and in alignment with nature. We have been strengthened by nature, which always supported us, but we need to maintain it. Current scenario is not different one, and humankind united will overcome this situation as well. Each crisis both is opportunity as well as eye opener. As an opportunity, we must innovate, and as an eye opener situation, we must introspect. Innovation is always good, but not at a cost of self or nature. It is really good to see progress in protecting green cover of earth nowadays, but we must also add a bit in strengthening protection layer for self, both outer one as well as inner one. Everyone really knows regarding immunity boost, but do we really take care to maintain or strengthen it? We accept for any powerful visible invisible threats technology is must, but we must also remember to maintain our body strength both from outside as well as inner side without depending solely on technologies. We have to also use different modes such as yoga, meditation, asana, exercises, checking food habits to strengthen overall health. We really need to stay away from being so addictive on technology that we totally become dependent on it for our survival. That is fear all about. Total dependency can leave us with no power to even stop lesser threats in future. Need to understand and preserve natural values at physical and mental health level. Each innovation is welcomed. Each technology is welcomed, but not at a cost of nature or natural values, and immune system must not be ignored at all. It should add real values to life. Science and nature, when used in alignment, can be reason of ultimate help for life. It is time to start balancing things. It is time to take a little step towards gaining all positive strength both internally and outer. Nature has given us a beautiful gift in form of this human body. It is our duty to preserve the importance and values it in true form. Let's try to add something to life. If can't, then at least don't deduct anything from it. Thank you.